Hi there, good morning. Okay, today I'm going to share a bit, just a very short video on how to allow our students to submit their material, okay, through Turnitin, okay, and they will be able to check the percentage of similarity on the document that they have submitted, and later on they would able to also modify, improve the document if it's more than, for example, for FEEP in UTM it shouldn't be more than 20%. So if let's say the student submitted to through this Turnitin, and then after a while, okay, the system shows it's like, for example, it's 30%, the students will be able to edit the document, okay, improve it, okay, remove all the similarities, and then resubmit again, okay, and then until they get the best. For example, maybe 18 for them, 18%. Then later on, this 18% document is actually submitted to, for example, e-learning, okay, for the final exam, FEP. All right. So firstly, as an academic in UTM, we have an account in Turnitin. Okay, so I'm going to show. Okay, firstly, we need to log in to Turnitin. Just log in using our UTM account. Okay, I'm using my UTM account. Okay, log in. Okay, once we log in, okay, so we see a few classes here. Okay, we see a few classes. Of course, we have for those who have been using for a long time, we have so many classes, but of course it's expired because it's quite long. Okay, so let's go to active classes. So just what we need to do now is actually to add one class. Okay, so this class is it's the class that we want our students to refer to, and then later on when they log in to Turnitin, they will be submitting their document to this class. Okay, so I'm going to make one imaginary class. Okay, very simple, just click this button plus add class. Okay, add class. Okay, and then add class, and then we'll do the, I normally put the standard test master, but just put standard class name, for example, like MBA data analytics, for example. The enrollment key is MBA DA. Okay, all right. And then subject area, just put computer science, student level, postgraduate, class start date 27. Okay, class end date, this one it's okay. Just maintain, it should be okay. Submit. Once we submit, okay, once we submit, okay, we'll have this is very important information, so we have to keep this information. Okay, there will be class ID and enrollment key. This is very important, the students need this. So normally what I will do, I'll keep this one, I'll copy this, I'll put it somewhere. For example, I put it in my backup in my WhatsApp. Okay, and then keep it. Okay, because later on we need to open, and we need to give this information to our student, this one. All right, so afterwards we continue. Okay, now we can see our class here, and we already have class. Okay, what we are going to do later on, now we are going to click this class. Okay, and we are going to open up add assignment. Okay, so it's very important to add assignment, because the class is there, okay, but there's no assignment. So we add assignment, we can put come on, faster, the system is very slow. I guess many people are using it, I'm not sure. Oh, okay, faster. All right. Okay, so assignment title is MBA data analytics. Okay, I'm going to use that because it's already available, but I just put in front here. Oops. FEEP. FEEP. Okay. So start date and due date, let's say 6 March, just put this one. And then this one is okay. No need to change anything here and submit. Okay. So now we have what they call assignment here. So you can see submitted 00. When you view, you can see like this. If students submit, if you give those the information that this just now, the class ID and the enrollment key to our student, our student will know that they will be able to log in their Turnitin using their Turnitin account and using this information to submit their document, okay, in our Turnitin account. So using the account, they can submit to our this Turnitin class. Okay, so that's all actually. It's very fast. So the rest is leave it to the students to actually take action once they get this information. Okay, so normally what I'll do, I'll copy this information again, and then the most important thing here is making sure that the class ID, class ID is correct. So what the information just now when we pasted is this, okay, so it's the class. Okay, so this is the class ID. I have to correct this one. Okay, this is the class ID. You can even snapshot the picture just now. Okay, this one. Just share with students this information. You can paste that one in your WhatsApp group for the students, or you can put it in your e-learning. See, congratulations. So that's all. All right, so that's all. Thank you very much. I hope everything will be fine. Bye bye.